Hey, what's up people? Welcome to PyTroops. Today we are gonna talk about combo boxes in Tkinter Python. So let's get started. So friends, this is our typical window that we use always. Now just make a list of let's say food items. So let's make a list of items. Food items, maybe it's pizza and comma burger and comma rice and what else in the foods. Let's just add some drinks. So let's say juices and drinks. So these are the items, food items and drinks that we have in our combo box. You have to select any one of these. Okay, for combo box we have to import ttk from Tkinter. So from Tkinter import ttk. This is the extended library of Tkinter, extended function of Tkinter, which makes combo box more attractive. Other than you have to use drop down options, maybe it is a menu option maybe. So for combo box you have to import this library. Now c1 for combo box 1 is equals to ttk dot combo box, and in where you want, definitely on your window. So window comma value is equals to, now in the value you give these items. So this list of items, so here you have to write items. Now c1 dot current, this current function actually entered the default value, like on index 0 we got pizza, on index 1 we got burger, index 2 rice. This is the basic concept of list. So let's just set it to index 1 for burger. So index 1 for burger. Now by default it gives burger on the combo box. So now just pack this combo box, c1.pack, and now if I run the program, so just run this program, and so here is our main window, and here is the combo box. Burger is set by default because we selected to current one value, and nothing happened by selecting any of these because we have to do nothing right now. Now just pass c1 dot bind, this bind function. What this bind function do actually? You can bind any keyboard key or your mouse click to perform some action basically. So in this these we can say angle brackets or whatever, you have to pass any keyboard key which you want to bind or your mouse click. So we just passed here combo box selected. So when you select any of these pizza, burger or rice, then it will perform a function which will define in the future. So let's say combo box selected, and now just make a function comma let's say the name of the function is print, and we have to define this function. So let's just quickly define the function def print. So inside the function, let's just quickly make a label. So L1 is equals to label we want in our window, and text should be the value. Text should be get the value from this entry. Sorry, from this combo box. So c1 dot get. So whatever you selected, it get the value and make a label of it. And background color is equals to yellow because our main window is yellow, so it's yellow. And now label 1 dot pack. So now if I run the program, so oh, it's an error. Okay, so we have to put these inverted commas before the angle brackets. So there is a position error for inverted commas. Now put it here, and now just run the program. So yes, done. So now if I select any of these items, food items, let's say burger, pizza, whatever, so it will print. Okay, another error. Now what is the, okay, we have to pass this as an event because we bind it, so we have to pass it as an event in the function, so the function will so the function knows what event is passed through this binding function. So we have to pass this event, and that's how it is bind to that function. And now just run the program and select any of these food items, then boom, rice, burger, juices, okay, shake, perfectly fine. Now okay, so now you can do some Pythonic things as well. Let's say here we can also apply some if and else condition. If c1.get is equals to pizza, then then it should print label L1 is equals to, let's say L2, well, L1 is already taken, L2 is equals to label on window, and the text should be select your size, the size of pizza, maybe it is small, large or medium. So here we are going to make another combo box. Select your size, select your required size actually, and background color is equals to yellow, definitely because our window is yellow. And now just quickly pack this label L2 dot pack, and now just make another combo box. Let's say okay, for now just run this program so we can check it out if it works perfectly fine or not. So run the program and just select shake, okay, shake button, select pizza, then it say select your required size. Now just make another combo box for the size. So c2 is equals to ttk dot combo box, and we want it in our window. Let's just quickly make another list of size. So size is equals to first size is for small, second one is medium, and third one is large, L-A-R-G-E, okay, large. Now let's just make it in our window, pass the value. Now value is equal to size because we have to pass that list of size, and just peg this, or maybe current value is equals to 0 because we want small as a default, and c2.peg. Now just run the program, and okay, now if I select rice, but if I select pizza, it says select your required size, and another combo box open, small, medium or large. Okay, so you can do again the same thing for print the label, like you selected the small pizza or you selected the medium pizza, and the label is printed on the window that you select this size of pizza. By doing the same thing, or make another function that print to, or you can do the stuff inside this function. So that's not a big deal. Okay, so hopefully you understand how to create combo boxes in Tkinter Python. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever we upload a video. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You will get the link in the description. Thanks for watching.